Okay, now here is a short story using common nouns. I want you to listen as I read so you see how they are used in real life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself to work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I'm going grocery shopping in a bit. Could I get you anything? I think we're running out of milk. You should buy that. And I don't mind some cookies or candies. Okay, I'll put it on my list. Anything else? You can't look in the fridge and just buy whatever you feel like we need. Oh, and don't forget to grab the newspaper on your way back home. I'd really appreciate that. Okay. Now time for you to practice on your own.